Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So this is Soro. So today I have come up with another free skill upgrade course alert, I could say, and that's being offered by globalknowledge.com. So here you can upskill for free with your skills of global knowledge. So currently, like this September has ended, so I'm sorry about that. So what you can join for the October session. So where for October session, if you see that MS 400, which is the Microsoft 365 Copilot, then SC 500, which is a secure Azure services with Defender for Cloud, then SC 507, that's implement detention and eDiscovery for Microsoft Purview, and the create agents in that's November, create agents in Microsoft Copilot Studio, Migrate SQL Server, and so on. So these are the times are here with the date and time. Three different time zone has been mentioned is ECS, sorry, EST, CST, and IST. So whatever course you think that it is perfect for you, either whatever it is, just click on that. You will be coming to here this Microsoft form. What you have to do, you have to just register at here, okay, and you have to like put your details here, and you just here it's mentioning that register now for the Microsoft Applied Skills event and please provide your details to secure spot and help us tailor the experience. We will looking forward to see you. Fine. So it says that fulfill this entire form. Like here, it's asking for the full name, your job title, your company name, email address, your country and province, the zip code, the telephone number, and you consent that like you will be sharing your details with them, and you would like to attend for which, and if you have any topics, so you will just here, and here you will see how did you hear. You may mention that social media because you are like coming from me to social media, so you can say that social media would be best, and you can submit. Once you have been like you will submit, you will be receiving one email from them confirming that your registration is confirmed, and if the block time for the course you have been chosen, so that's ready for you, and you will be able to get the understanding. So that's it. This is how you can register for the upcoming course from global skills of global knowledge. So that was a short video just for an update. So if you have liked this video, so feel free to click on the like button. And if you have any comments, so please share on the comment box. And if you yet not subscribed, so please subscribe to my channel. I generally post on free daily Udemy courses for free and free certification alerts, free educational resources alerts on my channel. So see you on the next video. Thank you so much.